Hello, and welcome to the world of kanji. Today, let's review the 80 beautiful kanji we learned together in grade 1. Each kanji has its own story. Let's walk through them slowly and gently. Block 1. Example. Japanese narration.
1、
English narration. 1. Example. Japanese narration.
2、
English narration. 2. Example. Japanese narration.
3、
English narration. 3. Example. Japanese narration.
4、4、
English narration. 4. Example. Japanese narration.
5、
English narration. 5. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration.
1つリンゴを食べました。
English narration. I ate one apple. Example. Japanese narration.
5人でゲームをしました。
English narration. We played a game with 5 people. Block 2. Example. Japanese narration.
6、
English narration. 6. Example. Japanese narration.
7、7、
English narration. 7. Example. Japanese narration.
8、
English narration. 8. Example. Japanese narration.
9、9、
English narration. 9. Example. Japanese narration.
10、
English narration. 10. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration.
6つの星が光っています。
English narration. 6 stars are shining. Example. Japanese narration.
10人の友達と遊びました。
English narration. I played with 10 friends. Block 3. Example. Japanese narration.
男、
English narration. Boy man. Example. Japanese narration.
子、
English narration. Child. Example. Japanese narration.
目、
English narration. Eye. Example. Japanese narration.
耳、
English narration. Ear. Example. Japanese narration.
口、
English narration. Mouth. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration.
男の子が走っています。
English narration. A boy is running. Example. Japanese narration.
口で大きな声を出しました。
English narration. I spoke out loud with my mouth. Block 4. Example. Japanese narration.
手、
English narration. Hand. Example. Japanese narration.
足、
English narration. Foot leg. Example. Japanese narration.
女、
English narration. Girl woman. Example. Japanese narration.
力、
English narration. Power strength. Example. Japanese narration.
林、
English narration. Woods. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration.
手で絵を描きました。
English narration. I drew a picture with my hand. Example. Japanese narration.
女の子が花を持っています。
English narration. The girl is holding a flower. Block 5. Example. Japanese narration.
森、
English narration. Forest. Example. Japanese narration.
山、
English narration. Mountain. Example. Japanese narration.
川、
English narration. River. Example. Japanese narration.
土、
English narration. Earth soil. Example. Japanese narration.
空、
English narration. Sky. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration.
森で小鳥の声を聞きました。
English narration. I heard little birds in the forest. Example. Japanese narration.
青い空が広がっています。
English narration. The blue sky is spreading wide.